محشي ورق عنب على اللبناني.
More close.
Believe me, this way is the best.
Again.
محشي ورق عنب على اللبناني.
Today's special guest is not a chef, but I believe is the best in eating Lebanese cuisine.
I am Micheline. I'm coming from Lebanon.
More close. What I need to say?
Oh, I was so excited to say my part.
Okay. Okay.
What I'm saying?
Yeah. Messiah, you help?
We have two types of wine leaves dish. One without meat. One. Both of first layer, the steamed. Today we're gonna do wine
don't
leaves.
say today.
When? Tomorrow?
No, because can
We're
be
doing.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We will do wine leaves.
Was too close.
What you do? We will do wine leaves.
Warak Enab means grape leaf in Arabic. A stuffed grape leaf goes to a lot of different names through Southern Asia. Jordan and Palestine, they call it Warak Davali. In Lebanon, they call it Warak Enab. In Syria, Walanji. In Iraq, it's back to Dolma or Dolma. The origin, it's a little bit murky. Shall I say that everybody has his own opinion about? Some people say that the stuffed grape leaves are from Greece, due to the name Dolma at the time of Alexander the Great. According to Erasmus, of course, the Arab and the Turkish deny the fact. Both Turkish and Greek, they use the name Dolma as well, but the timing, who invented or who was the first and the origin, as usual, it's impossible to define. Meat stuffed grape leaves is a super popular dish in a lot of Mediterranean and Middle East countries.
But believe me, this way is the best.
Ingredient of this amazing recipe.
First, wine leaves. Wine leaves.
Wine leaf.
No, they don't see the wine
Okay.
leaf. They see the brand. Here, you need to show
Yeah,
them.
but say grape leaf.
Ah,
You know what I
okay.
mean?
Okay.
Lamb.
Rice. Egyptian rice.
Very nice. This was good.
Yes.
Next. Minced beef. But you can use
Lamb.
salt.
Fat.
Lamb fat.
And then I stopped. Lamb fat.
Lamb fat.
Lamb fat. Cinnamon.
Touch of cinnamon. 7 spices.
Lemon juice. The last ingredient.
And lemon. Tools to use for this beautiful, amazing dish from the Lebanese cuisine.
One pot.
1 pot. medium pot, big pot, wherever you want.
A bowl.
And the special tools, some plates. We need to cover the vine leaf and avoid that they lose in the water. We always use plates. Sure, chef?
We're gonna use plate for today. Okay.
Today, but tomorrow no.
We're gonna use plate. However, traditionally, we use sakhra or fakhar that is put on top of the plate, on top of the wine, in order to make it heavy so the wine leaf doesn't open while cooking.
Okay, there are two ways. Or you roll it by hand, and we suggest, of course, or you can buy the easy way. Show you this amazing, beautiful machine, really expensive, 16 dirham actually. Let's see how it's working. You put your wine leaf here, your filling, after pull it down and done. And you get it here. That's it. Let's try. Super nice.
First, we remove the wine leaves from the preserve. We wash it in order to remove the salt and all the preserved. Why you said this word?
Because you complicate yourself. As everybody, you think when you speak. You don't need to think.
Yalla. Again. First, we remove our wine leaf, wash it, and put it one by one aside in a plate. Woo!
Very nice.
This is how it should look like.
Remember, carefully remove from the jar, because if it break, we cannot use it anymore. After what they do with the break one, we just put it in the bottom of the pot to don't burn the rest. That's it. Second step, we prepare our filling. In a bowl, we combine rice, the minced beef, and all the spices and the salt. Tips. The rice need to be washed before. Wash it 2-3 times and keep it aside. Why?
Why?
I don't know.
Because
Why
you
everybody?
use rice. You wash the rice before you use it.
Why? And this, the final filling. Look at that.
So this is how it will look like.
50% meat, 50% rice, a little bit wet for the meat, dry for the rice, that's it.
Now we washed our wine leaves. The next step, we're gonna open one by one and place it on a plate separately so it doesn't stuck on each other again. So it will be easier for us to take it and stuff it later on. Now time to fill our wine leaves. Next step, each one separate. This is cut, so we will not use it to stuff it, but we will use it to put later on in the pot. We used the preserved wine leaves. This is the way for the wine leaves to be done when it's preserved. If it's a fresh wine leaf, then we need to boil it, and the same way, we remove it from the water and we take one by one separate.
You can roll it by hand, or you can roll it with this. Very nice.
Our wine leaves washed, stuffing is ready. Now we roll.
And that it is. You see, perfectly roll, ready to be cooked.
Another tip, very important. You clean the wine leaf after rolling it. Make sure that we don't have any rice stuck on the wine leaf when we put it later on to cook. This is typical Lebanese. You don't want to see unnecessary things on top of your plate.
Typical Lebanese. Let's build our pot. Now for you.
Now let's build our pot. Come.
With emotion. Now, most important, how we build the pot. Because there is a way and only one way.
Different layers in our...
In our what? In our pot.
I looked at the camera, I started laughing. Okay. I will do it very cool. Different layers in our pot. First layer, the lamb chop.
Tip number 3. We seared our lamb chop. We seared it because otherwise the lamb flavor is spread it all over and Lebanese people don't like it.
First layer, lamb chop, followed by 2 layers of wine leaves, then lamb fat, 2 layers of wine leaves, and we put the plate to cover on the top.
Fill it with water. That's
with
it.
And now our wine leaves layer. Will mix the water, lemon juice, salt, and some garlic, and put the whole thing on top of the wine leaf. For us, we don't. We just put the water first, and once it boiled and the water reduced, we put the lemon juice and the salt after. Believe me, this way is the best. That's our final product. This is how it looks. Yummy.
3 hours in the pot. Beautiful one. Time to test it.
We're done already.
Time to test this beauty coming out from the pan right now. Cheers.
Cheers. Fresh
Cheers.
super Lebanese recipe. Lovely.
Amazing.
Super good. Mwah.
A lovely wine leaves I ever taste in my life.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Done.
The special wine leaves done by Miss Michelin. Thank you very much.
Minced beef, but you can use lamb. No?
Two.
Close.
You stay here, and this is going.
Okay.
And after you go there.
Okay. This will go on your head.
Minced beef, but you can use lamb.
This should be completely out.
Go.
Minced beef. Minced
No.
beef.
Nah. What the fuck? Yeah, look. Minced beef. You see what it is?
Yes.
Minced beef, but you can use lamb.
Okay, I need to do a trial first. Yes, you are good.
Yeah, it's not difficult. Just
It is difficult. Okay.
Play with the camera.
I will play with the camera.
Go. No.
Our pot is ready. No, our wine leaves are ready for the pot. What?
What I need to say? Because I say it's my special guest. It's not a chef, but he's the best in eating Lebanese cuisine.
Yes. Lebanese.
Tasting Lebanese cuisine.
Lebanese cuisine. Wine leaf.
con emotion, like the other one. Wild leaf. Lebanese cuisine with a special guest.
I am Micheline. I'm coming from Lebanon and from a very nice part from Lebanon where it's very green and you will have the best food. محشي ورق عنب على اللبناني.
More close.
Believe me, this way is the best.
Again.